Good morning, children. Today in surface areas and volumes part 4 we are going to continue exercise problems based on volume of combinations of solids. Question number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pen. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Here we can see the stand is of cuboidal shape as well as we can see 4 conical depressions. And the length, breadth and height of the cuboid is given as 15 cm, 10 cm and 3.5 cm. The depression which is in the shape of a cone, we can see the radius is 0.5 cm and height is 1.4 cm. To find the volume of the wood in the entire stand, we can say it will be volume of the wood minus 4 times the volume of the cone. That is LBH minus 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. The volume of the cuboid is 15 into 10 into 3.5 which is equal to 525. And volume of the cone multiplied with 4 is 4 into 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 square into 1.4 which is equal to 1.467. And by subtracting we have the answer as 523.53 centimeter cube as the volume of the wood in the entire stand. Question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long, 2 cm in diameter, and the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements. We are asked to take the value of pi as 3.14. From the question, we can see the solid shape is in the form of a sphere and a cylinder. And it is given the cylindrical neck is 8 cm long and 2 cm in diameter. So we can write height of the cylinder is equal to 8 cm, diameter of the cylinder equal to 2 cm, and therefore radius will be 1 cm. Now for the sphere, the diameter is 8.5 cm. So we can write diameter of the sphere is equal to 8.5 cm and radius is equal to 8.5 by 2. To find the amount of water it holds, we should find the volume of the vessel. That is, volume of the vessel will be volume of the sphere plus volume of the cylinder. Substituting the formulas, it will be 4 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. That is 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 8.5 by 2 whole cube plus 3.14 into 1 square into 8. And the answer will be 321.39 plus 25.12. which is equal to 346.51 centimeter cube. As the child's assumption was 345 centimeter cube and our answer is 346.5, we can say the child's calculation was wrong. Now let us learn a new topic, conversion of solids from one shape to another. Each and every solid that exists occupies some volume. When we convert one solid to another, its volume remains the same, no matter how different the shape is. In fact, if you melt one big cylindrical candle to 5 small cylindrical candles, the sum of volumes of the smaller candle is equal to the volume of the bigger candle. We are going to apply this concept in the following problems. That is, volume of one shape is equal to volume of the other shape. Let us start exercise 13.3 in page number 251. Question number 1. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. In the question, it is given that we take a sphere and melt it into the shape of a cylinder. So we can say radius of the sphere is equal to 4.2 cm and radius of the cylinder is equal to 6 cm. We are asked to find the height of the cylinder. As we know, as one shape is melted and recast into the other shape, the volume remains the same. That is, volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. Applying the formulas, it will be 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h. Cancelling pi and substituting the values, we can see it will be 4 by 3 into 4.2 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into h. To find the value of h, we can transpose the other two quantities, that is 6 to the left hand side. So our answer will be 4 into 4.2 whole cube by 3 into 6 square, which is equal to 2.744 centimeter. Question number 2. Metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Here we are given 3 different size spheres of radius 6, 8 and 10 cm and they are melted to form a big sphere. Let the radius of the big sphere is capital R. We can say volume of the first sphere plus volume of the second sphere plus volume of the third sphere is equal to volume of the big sphere. That is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Taking 4 by 3 pi as common on the left hand side, we have 4 by 3 pi into r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Cancelling 4 by 3 pi from the left side and right side and substituting the values for r1, r2 and r3, we have 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equal to r cube. That is 216 plus 512 plus 1000 equal to r cube. From this we can see r cube is equal to 1728. Therefore, radius of the resulting sphere will be cube root of 1728, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Here we can take the well in the shape of a cylinder and we can take diameter is equal to 7 meter. Therefore, radius will be 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5 meter. Depth of the well is given as 20 meter, which is height equal to 20 meter. And it is given that the earth taken out of the well is spread out to form a platform. So let us take the platform in the shape of a cuboid where length is equal to 22 meter and breadth is equal to 14 meter. We need to find the height of the platform. As we know, the earth taken out is spread out to form a platform. We can say volume of the well is equal to volume of the platform. Well in the shape of a cylinder, we can write pi r square h is equal to LBH. Substituting the values, we have 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20 is equal to 22 into 14 into h. Therefore, height of the platform is 2.5 meter. Here in this assignment, you are given some questions to practice from total surface area and volume of combination of solids. Thank you.